Let me show you how to install additional applications on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So on your Galaxy Watch 8 we get 32 GB of internal storage, so we can install like crazy amounts of different apps on this watch. So simply first swipe up and we are going to find our Play Store icon. So this is actually what it looks like, and click it. Then if you access your Play Store, also obviously make sure you have your phone in range and basically you have internet access to do this. You see, basically once we actually opened, basically it will offer you a bunch of suggestions that you can install. So, and for example, if you want to install something, simply click on it and literally click install. So you see, you can also see a bunch of screenshots for that app over here and bunch more things. So to install it, literally install, it will download and install it basically after some time. So you see it's downloading and installing. Let's see how fast it actually installs it. So yep, basically we can open up this new app. By the way, also, so where is this new app actually located after you install it? So it most likely will be probably at the end of your like list somewhere, basically here. Again, simply like, yeah, basically in all this app you'll be able to find it. So you see, we can open up this new app that we just installed, and yeah. So also if we go back to the Play Store, so you see you have a bunch of different categories that you can choose from. By the way, if you are wondering if the apps available on this watch are the same as on your phone's Play Store, then nope, actually this has ability only to run special Wear OS Android apps. So again, we maybe can only install like, maybe I guess like 1 or 2% of the apps available actually on the like normal basically Play Store, so on this watch. So again, this watch can only run apps that are specially designed basically for these Wear OS watches, so and not the regular ones. So also see you have your search on the top over here, so we can simply enter something here. Okay. And then we can search until find up basically all these apps over here that we can choose from. And that's about it. Also, if you want to basically after that remove any app, so if you do not want that app anymore, so for example this one, we literally press and hold on the tab for like few seconds and then uninstall it. Yep, uninstall, and yeah, app is gone essentially. Good luck.